But what is important is our giving is relational. Ang atong paghatag usa ka relasyon diya kanato diya sa Dios. We are the steward and He is the owner. Amen. Sabto na nato, but ini ako ba nagbago ani, Brad? Ako gyud nagbago, wala mi labot ang Ginoo. Pero sa diya nga masabtan nimo nga from the beginning of time, it is God is the owner. He is the owner. And even your life, He is the owner. If we come from the creation of God, God give us this life. So, nagiging no? Give. Even the downfall of men, ang giving wala mawala. For God so loved the world that He gave His only begotten Son. May imagine that is the core of makita nimo, that is the meaning of unfathom love, no? Cannot be unsearchable love sa Ginoo. Dili masabtan unfathomable love of God. Now, even if we disobey God, even how hard you are, how sinful you are, how horrible you are, God sent His Son Jesus.
Amen.
God gave His Son Jesus on the earth to ransom us. At aron paliton kita, to purchase us from our sin, so that we will be redeemed. We will be redeemed from the curse of sin and death. Maluwas kita diha sa tunlo sa sadaog sa kamatayon. Timan ininyo, giving is the principle or the golden rule of this is of God. Now, matawad na kayo sa golden rule of God because from the beginning, giving was there. God is giving.